Ugh. It's ill. Who the coldest motherfucker in the room? 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 And who the coldest motherfucker that you know? Who the coldest motherfucker that you know? Bring him around here, he's getting froze. Roll it up, then smoke. And tell me why your bitch look like Glenn Close. I'm on my own too, that's 10 toes. First the bullets fly, somebody says go. Why you bad low when your Jordan's retro? Girls playing games for the bills they drew Bledsoe. There's a lot that you can buy but I'll never own, and a lot of information that I'll never know. Learn till they get concerned for my sanity. A life that's filled with vanity needs a little clarity. This is the truth, just a taste, can you handle it? $1 million couldn't cover up the damages. Naked girl at the crib making sandwiches, and when we making love I got a candle lit. Some romantic shit to put her in the mood. The world woke me up, now I'm looking at the snooze. What to do? Who the coldest motherfucker in the room? Coldest motherfucker in the room. Who the coldest motherfucker that you know? Bring him around here, he's getting froze.
Look at my hands, I'm the Lord of the Rings. Musical cocaine brought me all of these Carrera keys. Soft top going hard on the block. Freeze that talk, unemployed by walking up on me. No security, just my homies. The well-dressed army, presidential arm piece. My credentials, I'm a G. All access jets wherever you want be. Snatch that vet from my mans the day of his prison release. Shoe was on the other foot, I know he would've done the same thing for me. But we'll let that be. Park it in the spot right next to my B with the chrome wings. I was seen here to own things, both sides of the court, colder than the airport. Therefore, I'm the one them hoes here for, yeah boy.
Who the coldest motherfucker in the room? Who the coldest motherfucker in the room? Who the coldest motherfucker that you know? Bring him around here, he's getting froze. Yo. And another one.
Fellas, keep an eye open. Watch out, word up. Cause females are playing a whole lot of games nowadays. Hey yo, fellas, you gotta be careful today. Watch out for games that these females play. Cause some break the rules and some don't play fair. You might get caught out here if you're not aware. Hey yo, fellas, you gotta be careful today. Watch out for games that these females play. Cause some break the rules and some don't play fair. I know this lady by the name of Katie. If you broke, she's shady. You got cash, she's ready to have your baby. The type of female the fella stressed, stay fresh to death, well dressed and Chanel guess, nothing less. Body got more curves than the S. I smoked the boots like cess, and I confess the sex was the best. Yes. Within a week, she had keys to my rest. I done made her my main squeeze and gave her G's to invest. Then one day, I overheard her talking to friends, saying how she didn't like me, all she wanted is the ends. Yo, honey was shiesty, had me thinking she was wifey, tricking ridiculous, giving her jewels that was icy. I said it's over, and what I gave you can have that. It wasn't even her, it was myself I was mad at. Letting that dame use me for my name and my fame. That's lame, but it's a shame how I fell for the game. Hey yo, fellas, you gotta be careful today. Watch out for games that these females play. Cause some break the rules and some don't play fair. You might get caught out there if you're not aware. Hey yo, fellas, you gotta be careful today. Watch out for games that these females play. Cause some break the rules and some don't play fair. You might get caught out there if you're not aware. A year I did a show for some dough. Puffed the bag of hydro, then broke out on the low. And on my way out, it was a female on my trail who followed me from the stage to the Benz XL. When asked honey her name, she replied Monique. Soft and sweet from head to feet, hotter than heat. Jump in the passenger seat, let's go get something to eat. She said I was that Rockefeller she been dying to meet. I tried to hit it first night, she said she wasn't a freak. Yeah, right, it's all good, so I waited a week. Then one night to my crib, she decided to creep. Knocked on a nigga door, woke me out of my sleep. I let her in before you know it, we was doing our thing. I drove her home and said tomorrow give me a ring. It was about a month later when she gave me a call with some bogus ass story that was off the wall, claiming she's pregnant with my child. I think that's quite foul. How was that? I want a lifestyle. Hey yo fellas, you gotta be careful today. Watch out for games that these females play. Watch out. Some break the rules and some don't play fair. You might get caught out there if you're not aware. Hey yo fellas, you gotta be careful today. Watch out for games that these females play. Watch out. Some break the rules and some don't play fair. You might get caught out there if you're not aware. So watch out, yeah, watch out. Watch out, fellas, yeah, you better watch out, watch out, yeah, watch out, fellas, you better watch out, real, yeah.